Today we are going to be doing Lego Technic. So I've got this little car that is like an engine. It's got like a big engine inside, and it vibrates, and it like makes the like a thing inside that can make the wheels like spin around. So when the wheels spin around, the black things on it, they move, and it makes this little thing move. So it makes that. So we made like this little course that has like Lego people on it. It's kind of like a zombie game, and you like have to knock over stuff. Like this survey 2, you have to knock over in. And we have to like knock over the Lego people, and we have to like knock over really like when we're going through the black box, that was like the little car wash, and it's like the little town that we have to go to, and to like that's like the finish line. So here right now, so I hope you enjoyed the little course of the truck and the course. So hope you enjoyed, and hope you have a nice day. So bye.